Hi guys, Falcon here from GT Performance. Welcome to 2022. Today we've got a Ranger Danger on. We do a few of these. Good customer Bob. He's updated from a 218 to 221. Really good gains on these cars. We'll show you an overlay. We've just ran it up standard. 107 rear wheel kilowatts with the bigger tyres on it. Come over here and we'll see that. So 107, that's your power, and that's your torque, and that's your AFRs. So what we'll do is we'll give it a run up. We've already loaded the tune in, we've trimmed it off in the areas that we needed with the torque management. There is some updates from 18 to 21 in there, but they do come up pretty similar. We've found that this model has a little bit more down low, which is quite good. So we'll give it a roll on the dyno and we'll see the after and before and afters for comparison, and to get all the ranges down here and get that GT performance touch. Okay, what you can see is 134 kilowatts. It's a stout piece. There is no other exhaust mods or anything else. This is just purely tune versus tune. Okay, that's the difference. It's huge. So you can see it's down the bottom to the top, all the way through it's the same. You can see here why it's different. AFRs are different, torque management's different. Injection timing, the way the turbo comes in as well, so we adjust all that. Here you can see the difference as well from the torque, so it's picked up everywhere. So basically guys, you got one of these, tap into that hidden power, give GT Performance a call, and we can make your 2022 look brighter. Thanks guys, see you soon.